Morning friends, Drew here. I think you remember from a couple of videos back, we were working on this dormer, getting all the repairs made to that to stop water from getting into our house. Today we're working on the drywall side of things, and we're making all the repairs on the inside that were caused by the water damage that was happening upstairs on that dormer. So let's take a walk inside and see what we find. Come on in, let's take a look. All right, so here's what we got going on. Michael and German and Norm have already been working on getting this ceiling cut out, the wet insulation out. We're going to spray any of the dark spots with a 𝗗𝘀𝘀𝘁 spray, which kills anything that may be growing up there that shouldn't be. And we're gonna get that all taken care of and start cutting our drywall and putting it in after we get the insulation up. So you can kind of see a little bit where our patchwork was up inside there. So we'll get this back, and while we're doing this, she asked if we wouldn't put in a couple of recessed lights for her, so we're going to work on those. Probably one in each corner here. We got one here, one down at the far end, and then back up here as well. So we'll have 4 of those around the room, and this is going to come together quick. So our next video will probably be after we got some mud up. We've got the recessed light cans getting ready here, those ready to go, and we got to add some three-way switches and get some other wires pulled to take care of the next step. We're also going to be taking care of little handrail 4, get that replaced and a new one up. And slowly but surely, this whole thing's going to come together. So that's what we're working on here today. If our team can help solve a problem for you, we are 𝗗𝘁'𝘀, your full service construction and renovation company, and a Pennsylvania home improvement contractor number 88078. Based right here in Kelton, Pennsylvania, Cochranville area. We do it all from roofing, siding, windows, doors, decks, and all your interior finish, refinishing your, remodeling your bathroom, renovating your kitchen, finishing your basement, all those different types of projects, your plumbing, your electrical. So what problem can we solve for you? Take a picture of it, send it to us here on our Facebook page. Click that contact us button. Our week staff is available weekdays 9:30 in the morning until 2 in the afternoon to serve you, and also at 484-748-0008, option 2 for 𝗗𝘁 Construction and Renovation, extension 2 for new projects. And of course, if you're watching us here on YouTube, make sure you click that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you get all the details about what's going on, and keep your eye on some of these fun projects that we're doing. Maybe get some ideas for your house. So we're gonna get that dormer finished up, and at some point here, we get some good weather, we're going to take apart this other dormer and just make a similar set of repairs. It's not leaking, but she just kind of wants the belt and suspenders, make sure that it's taken care of. So we're gonna be working on that for her at some point in the future as well. We want to thank you guys for watching with us here today. Remember, when we're finished with your project, you'll be proud to say it's not just done. It was 𝗗𝘁'𝘀. We'll catch you guys in another video. Bye for now.